Hello everyone. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a LED daytime running light bulb on a Chevy Suburban. We have a Chevy Suburban. Happens to be a 2003 Suburban. And this headlight daytime running light in the Chevy Suburban is not working. So we're going to go ahead into replacing it. And you just need to get into the driver's side to pull on that release latch. And remove those two locking pins. And carefully remove the headlight. And carefully use your straight flathead screwdriver to pop off the clips. And you just remove the headlight unit from the housing. To remove this bottom headlight unit, just bend the plastic clip. And press the clip to remove the daytime running light bulb from the light housing unit. Then boom, daytime running light comes out. And pop out the old incandescent bulb. And there's the old bulb that you just popped out. Now plug in your new LED daytime running light bulb. And snaps until you hear a click. And now let's go test the daytime running light bulb to see if it's working correctly. Now connect the light back into the housing and snaps back into place. And now rehook the lower headlight unit. And now rehook the headlight housing unit back into place and connect this wire that goes to the high beam until it flips. And the headlight too. Now slide in the headlight side first. And align up those two holes to mount in those metal pins. Until they clip. And now I'll do the same thing to the driver's side headlight. And simply remove it carefully, the headlight unit. Just let the headlight set into the bumper. And then boom, the wiring harness comes off. And carefully pop off the clip right here. Push onto this plastic foot to allow you to get access to changing the daytime running light bulb. And simply remove this old incandescent bulb. And get your fresh new daytime running light LED bulb and simply plugging it until it clicks. So it clips into place. Make sure you test your headlamps to see if they're working correctly before closing the hood.